Guys, welcome back to another video. We are here. I am here with the one and only Cronk.
Yeah, boy.
As you can see, this is the first face cam video I'm actually making, and it's going to be a reaction video because we're bored.
Were we?
Basically, we're watching
Try not to
laugh.
But I'm sorry.
Try not to laugh. We have 3 lives, guys. 3 lives. If you lose your 3 lives, then you have a pinch of ghost pepper.
Are all these "we'll be right back"?
I hope not.
What? What just happened? I missed the joke. Oh, I see now. See, I didn't notice that at first.
Oh,
now you have 2 lives.
Right, this is the beginning of the video. Are you lost?
Loser. Oh, I know this meme.
You're adopted.
This is light work.
Is that?
Oh my god, it smells so good. Woo! This stuff smells so freaking good. It smells really good.
Did you say lavender dye?
Don't make me laugh.
No, that was me. You didn't.
Do I have to? Okay. Oh, Spider-Man got kidnapped.
That's a bit intense.
I don't know. My name is Jeff.
That was weak. You do be coming. Classic.
Classic.
GG, kids, mom. GG. Okay.
So now we're both. I was just like dying. I really wanted to laugh. Oh, spooky. Oh, we got Discord calls or messages. Oh, yes. Yeah, that didn't count for me. He laughed. How many strikes do you have? Are you on 2?
I think that's 3.
That's 3? So, John Luke got the 3 strikes. So he has to have a pinch of ghost pepper. Look at that. Ghost pepper.
I've never had ghost pepper before.
Oh, you're gonna die.
Oh boy. So I just guzzle this down.
No. Take a pinch. Take a pinch out of your hand.
Well, that's not a challenge.
Are you sure about that?
You'll find out.
All right, here we go.
Make sure you're frame.
I'm in frame.
All right. You want to lick the whole thing?
Yes.
You want some milk?
No. This is light work.
No way. Guys, he's immune to ghost
light
pepper.
work. No. All right, it's kicking in a little bit in the back. Oh god.
Don't spill this. Don't do it over it.
Is it normal to start hiccuping after you eat something
I
spicy?
mean, I think it is actually, but I don't know.
It's unburning.
Was that what it's supposed to look like?
That's what he looked like before, and that's what he is now.
That one's now?
Yeah.
That one's not. Okay.
This is so hot.
I told you to take a pinch. My man's suffering over here. You need more milk? You drank the whole thing? Ow. We're back. He has more milk.
If there was a child right in front of you,
Flamingo!
Is that Forrest?
It is.
Makes sense. He didn't turn. You have no power here. Yeah. Guys, I'd even get the third strike. Slap you so hard.